Welcome. If you've been wondering how to change your username on Discord using the PC app after the new update, you've come to the right place. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to update your username and make it exactly how you want it. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, along with a small gear icon right next to it. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you to your user settings. Now, under User Settings, you'll see a tab called My Account. In most cases, it will already be selected by default, but if not, just click on My Account, so we're in the right place. This section contains all of your key account details, including your username and email. Next, look to the right side of the username section. You'll notice an Edit button. Click on it. This is where you can make changes to your current username. Simply type in the new username you want to use. Try to make it something unique, but still easy for your friends to recognize you by. Once you've typed in your new username, Discord requires a quick confirmation. To finish the process, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is there to protect your account and make sure you're the one making the changes. After you've entered your password, click on Done, and that's it. Your Discord username is now updated. Keep in mind that usernames must follow Discord's rules, so choose carefully. Whether you're refreshing your identity, fixing an old name, or just trying something new, updating your username is quick and easy with the newest version of the app. Now you know exactly how to change your username on Discord using the PC app. It's a straightforward process that only takes a minute, but makes a big difference when it comes to how others see you online.